If you're trading on NinjaTrader Prop and not using everything the platform has to offer, you're essentially trading with one hand tied behind your back for no reason. The tools are right there. A lot of traders just never bother to find them. Hey, this is Joey with NinjaTrader. Today we're walking through the tools, integrations, and risk controls that tend to fly under the radar on NinjaTrader Prop, so you can start using the platform the way it was actually designed to be used. Let's start with what NinjaTrader Prop actually is. It's a purpose-built prop trading platform designed to give futures traders the tools to pass evaluations and stay funded. It's been built from the ground up for prop trading workflows to reflect the real needs of evaluation traders. Consistent risk controls, deep analytical tools, and a layout that doesn't change between firms. It sits within the broader NinjaTrader Group ecosystem. And while it shares DNA with the flagship NinjaTrader desktop platform, it's specifically optimized for prop firm workflows. So what actually sets NinjaTrader Prop apart? First of all, it's multi-firm flexible, meaning you can use NinjaTrader Prop across multiple prop firms with the same layout and the same tools every time. Uptime exceeds 99.9%, so the platform itself never becomes the reason you miss a trade. To see a list of the exact firms that offer NinjaTrader Prop, check out our website. Beyond that, NinjaTrader Prop lets you layer your own risk controls on top of whatever your prop firm is already enforcing. You can configure daily loss caps, profit targets, and volume limits directly in the platform, fully independent of the firm's own system. A lot of traders rely solely on their prop firm's risk engine to enforce limits. Platform-side controls adds a second layer, and that redundancy is exactly the point. On the charting side, the TradingView integration is deeper than some traders actually use. Consider building your go-to indicator combinations into chart templates, saving them as named workspaces, and switching templates when market conditions shift. You can keep your analysis framework consistent without rebuilding your setup every session. And under pressure, that consistency counts. Bracket orders work along the same lines. They let you define your stop loss and take profit levels at the moment of entry, not after. Set your bracket templates once and the platform handles execution. No adjustments under pressure, no emotional overrides. For evaluation traders managing tight risk parameters on every trade, that can be highly beneficial. And all of this works best when the prep happens before the session opens. Get your templates aligned and your bracket parameters set. And a lot of those avoidable mistakes might not happen in the first place. Now let's get into the risk and discipline tools that traders sometimes underuse. For daily loss caps and profit targets, don't wait for a bad trade to set your limits. NinjaTrader Prop lets you lock them in before you place your first trade. And when either threshold is hit, trading automatically suspends. Treat it like a pre-flight checklist, non-negotiable and done before you open the first chart. The manual lockout feature is one of the more powerful options available to prop traders. When activated, it lets you voluntarily suspend all trading activity across your simulated evaluation account for up to 24 hours, flattening positions and canceling orders with just a few clicks. It's designed for the moments when you recognize you're trading emotionally or off plan. And for more granular control over position sizing, there's mini to micro contract fungibility, the ability to convert between E-mini and micro contract sizes in real time without closing your position. So you can scale your exposure down without starting over. That gives you more precise control over your position size, and during evaluations where protecting against drawdown is as important as generating profit, that granularity can make a real difference. Daily loss limits, manual lockout, and mini to micro fungibility each address a different layer of risk. Used together, they form a systemic approach to capital preservation built into the platform itself, not bolted on after the fact. If you're liking this video or maybe even loving it, then be sure to hit like and subscribe. We're making a lot more trading videos like this and you're not gonna wanna miss out. Now, let's talk about Order Flow Plus. NinjaTrader Prop's Order Flow Plus suite includes footprint charts, also called volumetric bars, and TPO charts, also known as market profile charts, for volume and order flow analysis. These are available to traders on funded prop accounts. Footprint charts show buying and selling volume at each price level within a candle. TPO charts show how price distributed over time. Together, they give you structural context that standard price charts can't provide. Before you pull the trigger on a trade, the pulse indicator can give you another layer of context. It tracks the real-time directional sentiment across the top 10 futures markets. It's not a signal generator, it's a gut check tool that tells you whether you're moving with or against broader market flow. And market replay, which sometimes gets dismissed as a beginner feature, is worth revisiting. Funded traders use it to rehearse high volatility scenarios, test new setups without risking their evaluation accounts, and review sessions with clear eyes. Spending 20 minutes a day in replay is a great habit to build regardless of your experience level. Footprint charts give you the why behind price movement. Pulse gives you market-wide context. And market replay turns both into repeatable practice, building the kind of edge that can hold up when evaluation pressure is at its highest. All in all, NinjaTrader Prop gives you more than a place to run evaluations. Manual lockout, order flow, bracket orders, mini to micro fungibility, and everything else we've talked about aren't just features. They're tools that make the difference between a trader who knows the platform and one who really uses it.